Hello all. So in this tutorial I am going to interface DHT11 sensor with Arduino Uno. So DHT11 sensor, why we are using, what is the use? We are using DHT11 sensor to measure temperature and humidity. So both the parameters we can measure by using one sensor only. First I am going to explain you the coding part. After that I will explain you the hardware part. So like same, I already completed the coding part. What we have to do actually, we need to first install the DHT library. Okay. So after installing the DHT library, then we can write the code and we can include this header file. So then it will not give any programming error. So first statement is I included the header file dht.h. Then this is the declaration. Okay, dht.dht is the declaration. I am defining the pin number 11 of Arduino Uno. This DHT11 pin. This is the variable and where I am assigning the pin number 11 of Arduino Uno. Inside the void setup function, I am setting the baud rate 9600 in order to print the temperature and humidity value. So this is the void loop function. Inside the void loop function, we are going to write our main code. So int chk is nothing but a variable of type int, and we are reading by this function, or by this statement the temperature and humidity value both. After that, what we are going to do, we are just reading the temperature value, simple temperature value we are reading, and we are assigning into the variable I. Then what I am doing, I am just making the serial.printf, and I am printing this temp variable equals to that string into our serial monitor. After that, I am passing the value I, and I am giving new line. After 1 second, so what is actually doing, it will print on the serial monitor temp equals to then whatever temperature value I am getting, room temperature, that it will print. Same thing, that the humidity value I am storing into the j variable, and I am printing the string like humidity equals to. After that, I am printing the humidity value, and after 1 second. So what will happen? After completion of this entire statement, again it will come out of the loop, but it is in an infinite loop. So this particular statement or the block of statement will execute infinite time. Okay, so this is the small programming, and how to upload the code tools. And board name is Arduino Uno, and port name is COM26 for my system. And first I need to compile the code. If it will ask the file name, so either you can escape or you can put the name of this file. And if it is error free, there is no error, then it should print here done compiling. Okay, so there is no error. Now I am uploading the code. Okay. So after this, I am going to explain you the hardware part. So this is the connections. So this is the DHT11 sensor, DHT11, and it is having 3 pins, 5 volt output and negative, means ground. So this 5 volt is nothing but orange color is the 5 volt, yellow is your ground, and green is your data pin. So you can see here 5 volt orange wire I connected with the 5 volt of the Arduino Uno, yellow wire I connected with the ground, and green wire I connected pin number 11. Okay, because in code I written 11 pin number as a data pin. So this is all about the interfacing part, and this I am giving power supply here. So now we'll check the the values on the serial monitor. So in order to open the serial monitor, so now what will be getting? Temperature is 30 and humidity is 73. Okay, In order to change the value, I need to put or press this sensor. So see what is happening. The temperature and temperature value rises from 30 to 31, and humidity also changes from 73 to 74. If we'll keep like this, the value will change. Okay, so it may come after sometimes 32. Yeah, we are getting 32 here, and the humidity value is 75. If I will release this one, slowly the temperature will slow down, and maybe the humidity value will also change. Now see, we are getting the values in the range of 32 to 33. So it will take some time. See, now we are getting the humidity value is 73. Now 72. See. Now I'm getting the value 32. If I'll put the heat sink, maybe the temperature value will become less. So here I am putting heat sink. Humidity is slowing down. That's it.